Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before you watching this video, don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. In light of the tornado case ban, I have some doubts on the future of privacy network that I would like to share with you all. Despite the dark circumstances of the present, there are grounds to be optimistic about the future for Web3. A third on why ZAC Williams, August 16, 2022, Zika Money was launched in March 2021. It describes itself as the private daily yield aggregator of the Aztec network. Aztec Connect software development kit. Aztec Connect in turn work like a VPN by using Aztec's roll-up contract as a proxy. On Tuesday, the Aztec network announced that Aztec Connect was preparing to receive funding from DEX Balancer Labs. And FTX blocks Aztec Network Privacy DAPP, calling it a high risk or measure. FTX has reportedly begun blocking accounts that have sent coin through Zika Money, a private layer 2 can provided by the Aztec network on the Ethereum. According to the Twitter, NYSA Twitter users, FTX has identified the debt as a mixer, a service it deems a high risk activity prohibited by the exchange. Reports of blocked transactions of FTX began appearing on the Twitter on the Tuesday, sometimes with commentary about FTX motivated and allegation that Zika Money is not a mixer. Twitter use also noted that blocking transactions connected to the protocol may imply a ban with a far-reaching effect, similar to the sanctions imposed by the United States Treasury Department on the tornado case users. The U.S. agency placed over 15 USDC and the other address on the Office of Foreign Asset Control (OFAC) list of specially designated nationals on August 8. Wait for a minute. By the way, Bitcoin was being trending on the 2018, right? It's gonna be a good job. Zika Money was launched in March 2021. It describes itself as the private DeFi yield aggregator of the Aztec network. Aztec Connect software development kit. Aztec Connect in the turn works like a VPN by using Aztec's roll-up contract as a proxy. On the Thursday, The Aztec network announced that Aztec Connect was preparing to receive funding from the X-Balancer Labs. DeFi needs to start creating real-world value in value it if it wants to survive. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.